case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1995, the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit heard the case Laro Maintenance Corp v. National Labor Relations Board, which centered around labor law violations stemming from anti-union bias or discrimination. Laro Maintenance Corporation was accused of refusing to hire 13 job applicants due to their union membership, which constituted a violation of labor laws. The National Labor Relations Board, NLRB, ordered Laro to offer employment and back pay to the applicants, a decision Laro challenged in court. The case originated from Laro Maintenance Corporation, winning a contract from Prompt Maintenance Services, Inc. in 1990 to clean and maintain a federal government building in Brooklyn. The bid solicitation required the new contractor to pay the same wages as Prompt and to have an initial workforce, of which at least 50% comprised experienced cleaners. Despite Laro challenging the NLRB's findings, the court denied their petition for review and granted the NLRB's cross-petition for enforcement. As a result, Laro was required to offer employment and back pay to the job applicants who had not been hired due to their union membership.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.